Hey guys, my name's Moesbergen and I'm the mechanical engineer here at AMQ. It's an important part of engineering to make sure that not only you do your analysis up in the office, but also test it in real life to make sure that the parts that we're actually getting in from our supplier are up to Australian standards and roadworthy, ready to go in a vehicle on a mine site. Because we know that we're going into mine sites with these vehicles, AMQ likes to go above and beyond with our design validation to make sure that our designs are fit for purpose and meet all of the strength requirements of Australian vehicle standards. So we're going to be doing some testing on our brake bar today. We've made some changes to it, a little bit of weight saving, a little bit of material change in some places, and we just need to verify that it still meets the strength requirements that AMQ expects from all the parts that we put in our vehicles. The testing brake bars involves making sure that we're putting the maximum load that could feasibly be on it in our testing environment to make sure that it can withstand all brake loads that could possibly happen in the vehicle. So we've got a load cell here measuring how much force we're putting into it. We've got a turnbuckle to make sure that we're really putting a full weight on our brake bar. And then as long as the brake bar doesn't deform under this load, I'm happy and it can go in a car. So in a typical use case, a brake bar only sees about 80 to 100 kilograms of force on the upper side. The highest Australian standards ask about 180 kilos out of us. We've tested our brake bar here. We've got it to 190 kilos, so I'm happy for this one to go in a car.